So you've watched my first video and you know there are two main ways to use essential oils with kids. One is through diffusing it so they get the aromatic benefits. The second way is topically on the skin once you've diluted the oil. You should be able to know how to use essential oils with confidence and clarity. At Simply Earth, we don't believe your essential oils should waste away on the shelves. So in this video, I will be giving you practical tips and tricks to use essential oils with kids, specifically by age group. Our Kids Roll-On Kit, which was made to go along with these videos, is a simple way to get started using essential oils with kids with safe recipes that are diluted at safe rates. And I'll be sharing more about that in this video as well. Depending on your child's age, there are certain safety recommendations. For kids under the age of 2, we don't recommend using essential oils. Instead, use hydrosols and carrier oils. Kids under the age of 2 are really responsive to their environment, and hydrosols, which is the water left over in the distillation process, and carrier oils are generally going to be enough to nudge their little bodies in the right direction. You don't need to use something as concentrated as an essential oil with young kids because their bodies are so responsive. Some of my favorite ingredients to use with kids under the age of 2 is lavender hydrosol. This is a water-based substance, so you can add just a little bit to their bath to help soothe skin or help calm them. I also really like using jojoba oil and almond oil with young kids. These are carrier oils filled with natural benefits that are great for their skin. So you might be wondering, can I use essential oils at all around my young children? I have personally found that when I use essential oils, like in a lotion or body butter on myself, and then hold my child, it's unlikely to cause any irritation. When using essential oils on yourself, do keep in mind that it can be irritating to your child. Try to use kid-safe essential oils and be mindful of their behavior and note that the essential oils may impact them. All right, so let's talk about kids who are a little bit older, age 2 to 5. Here you can start using essential oils on your kids and in a diffuser around them. Like I mentioned in the first video, it's best to only use essential oils with kids with a certain purpose in mind, like supporting their respiration or to help calm them. For topical application, we recommend using a dilution rate of 0.5% or less. This is likely all you'll need to get great results for your child. You can use up to 1%, but we recommend doing that sparingly and only if needed. Be sure to only use kid-safe oils. We have that age recommendation on the back of our essential oil bottles. You can also find that information on our essential oil products pages at simplyearth.com. Just scroll down to details and you can find our age recommendation. For diffusing with kids age 2 to 5, try to diffuse around them for 15 minutes or less. If you have a diffuser on, you can also just turn it off when your child enters the room to help prevent them to becoming sensitized to that oil. For kids age 6 to 9, you can follow those same diffusion tips of 15 minutes or less and turn off the diffuser when they enter the room. For topical application, you can up that to a 1% dilution rate. Once your child is 10 or roughly adult sized, you can use dilution rates up to 5%. Typically, you'll want to use a 3% dilution rate with kids age 10 and up. At this age, almost every essential oil is considered safe, but there are a few to keep in mind. Wintergreen and birch essential oils, because of their natural chemical makeup, have been linked to Ray's syndrome, and these oils should not be used unless your child is 12 and up. There's a lot of debate about peppermint and eucalyptus essential oils because they contain a lot of menthol. We recommend that these oils be diffused with kids age 10 and up, which is on our bottles and product pages, and diluted at a 1% rate for kids aged 10 and up. Under that age, you won't want to use them topically. Another oil to keep in mind as you use essential oils with your kids is sage. Again, we have this oil at 10 and up, and it is generally considered safe for kids aged 10 and up. But this oil can cause breathing difficulty with young children, so make sure you don't put that one in a diffuser when you've got kids around. Other oils that you see in the Simply Earth essential oil collection that have an age rate of 10 and up are likely to cause skin irritation or have very strong aromas that can be overwhelming to young kids. With our kids roll-on kit, we give you 4 essential oils that are safe to use with kids age 2 and up, plus have recipes where you can safely dilute them. A super easy and safe ways to use essential oils with kids is through roll-ons. And me and my daughters are going to show you how to use our kids roll-on kit to make your own roll-ons to support your child's wellness. I'm here with Gloria and Ruth, and we are going to be sharing with you our essential oils with kids kit. What's in here?
Essential oils.
Essential oils? Should we smell them all and see if we like them? All right, so this one is called Tangerine. You want to smell it? You like it? Yeah? All right, Cedarwood. Does this one remind you of a tree? What is it? It's Bumps and Boo Boos. Do we use that one a lot? Yeah, can you smell it? Does it smell good? And this is the last one. This one is spearmint and it smells minty.
Want to smell?
You like it? Which one of these oils do you think you liked the most?
These two.
These two?
These two.
And you liked those two?
Yeah.
You like them all. All right, let's see what else is in this box. These are recipes. Do you think you could help me make these? Yeah? All right, stickers. And these stickers get to go on these bottles in here, and those have the names of the recipes we're gonna make. All right, so along with these cool stickers or labels, we have fractionated coconut oil and these pretty roll-ons. Do you like these? This is what we're gonna put the stickers on. And look, when you open it up, it's got a rolly top. It's to make roll-ons with. All right, should we make these? And we're gonna follow our recipe card. This green card has recipes on it, and this purple card has safety tips, so we can use essential oils safely. We need the Bumps and Boo Boos essential oil. Can you find that one? You got it, and we need this. All right, so we're gonna open this up. All right, we got that off. Ruth, can you put the funnel in? Put it right in there. Good job.
And then what?
Now we're gonna add 2 drops of Bumps and Boo Boos. When we're making essential oils for kids, we gotta be careful to only use a couple drops. So 1, 2, okay. Now we're gonna fill it the rest of the way with fractionated coconut oil. If we were to just put the essential oil on your skin, it'd be a little owy. But if we add this, it won't be owy. So we're gonna fill it up. It almost is. You just need to put the cap on.
How do I put it?
And then we need to shake it. Oh, good job. Gloria, do you want to turn shaking it? Nice job. And you've got a little owie on your forehead, right? Should we put this on it?
Yeah.
Will it help it feel better? Ready? It is. Did we make this ourselves? So we're gonna use these oils more than once in these recipes. But our Happy Tummy one has tangerine and spearmint in it, these two. And if you have an owie tummy, this can help.
Why?
Because these essential oils can help make you feel better. All right, should we open that one up? So we're gonna make our Happy Tummy one.
Is this the Happy Tummy one?
Yep, we're gonna put 1 drop of each of those oils in.
Okay. Put it
All right, and we need that funnel again. Ruth, do you think you could put that funnel in again? There you go.
Why do we need a funnel?
Here's 1 drop of tangerine. Whoop. Got a little extra one in there, that's okay. And 1 drop of spearmint. And now, do you remember what we fill it the rest of the way with? You got it. Do you want to do this part?
Yeah. Oh
You can both do it. Would you like to both do it?
Mm-hmm.
All right, here we go. All right, I think we just gotta lift that up. We're gonna put that on, and now can you put the lid on there? All right, do you guys want to shake it again?
Can I do it? I know it be it.
Alrighty. Now this one, when you have an owie tummy, we can put a little bit of this on your tummy. And it can help you feel better. Because look, do these dinosaurs have belly buttons?
Mm-hmm.
That can help us remember. You have a belly button too? Yeah. That can help us remember that this one is for our tummy. There it is. This one is called Joyful Noise because it can help us make us feel happy when we're feeling kind of sad. What are some things that make you feel better? Mommy? Yeah. This can help you make you feel better too.
It's not do too much, okay?
Okay. All right, so, good plan, Gloria. So we need 1 drop of tangerine and 1 drop of Bumps and Boo Boos.
Why Bumps and Boo Boos?
Do we like Bumps and Boo Boos?
Okay.
Okay, 1 drop. Whoop, that's good. So now we're gonna fill it the rest of the way with fractionated coconut oil. Over, so we don't want to dump it over. All right, we're gonna put this on in our lid.
And then that's for
Now we're gonna shake it. And this one will help you feel better when you're feeling sad. Just like when you hold your blankie, it makes you feel better. This can help you feel better too. Good job getting the cap off. Now let's get the roll on top off. Good job. All right, in this one, we're gonna use 3 different essential oils. 1 drop of spearmint.
Don't do it.
Okay.
And then I do dessert.
Yep, we'd add 1 drop of Bumps and Boo Boos.
Why some?
Well, let's hold it like this so it doesn't pour out. And 1 drop of tangerine. All right, now we're gonna fill it the rest of the way with fractionated coconut oil.
Why do we fill it up with that one?
Because that makes it, remember if the essential oil just goes on your skin, it'll be a little owie.
Yeah.
This makes it so it's not owie. For this one, we're boosting confidence. So sometimes when you try something new, it can be a little scary, right? When we use this roll on, it can help us feel brave. And this one has all the pretty flowers on it, and it's called Breathe with Ease. So sometimes when you have a cold, you cough a lot, right? And this can help you not cough so much. Got it. All right. Funnel girl, can you put the funnel in? All right, and this one is Breathe with Ease, and we need 1 drop of cedar wood. Try to just get 1 drop. It can be hard to get just 1.
It's not coming. It's not coming.
Hold it up a little higher and just be, oh, there it goes. 1 drop of tangerine.
What is it?
Just 1. Oh, that's good, that's good, that's good. So we gotta try to just get 1 drop in there. And if you end up with a little bit extra, that'll be okay. Or you can remake it, that's fine too. So now we're gonna fill that up.
What is it? Nah. Any more?
Let's shake it up. Oh, we've got 1 more after this. Can you guys help me shake it?
I am.
And that mixes the essential oils with the coconut oil. I'll let Gloria do it this time. 1 drop of cedar wood. You put 1 drop of cedar wood in there. And Mommy's gonna do it with you. Good one. Okay. And 1 drop of Bumps and Boo Boos. You wanna do that one, Flo?
Yeah.
All right, try to get 1. And both of these oils can help you feel calm and relaxed. Oh, there it goes. Good job. All right, and we're gonna fill it the rest of the way with coconut oil. All right, now we're gonna shake it.
I'll shake it.
Okay, good job. And it's all ready to go. So next time we're having a hard time falling asleep, we can try using that oil.
Why?
Because it can help us fall asleep better.
Woohoo!
Good job. Roll-ons aren't the only way to use the essential oils in this kit. You can put them in the diffuser. Plus, in my next video, I'm going to share some practical and fun ways that you can support all areas of your child's wellness using these 4 oils.